There you have it, Mzansi, as a partnership between Chilla's Punch and Thandeka Shabalala. I mean, when you're big, you are big.
31 years old, and I'm from Chiller's Punch.
To everyone who believed in me, who stood beside me, who saw possibility before it became proof. This isn't just my moment, it's ours. Introducing Chiller's Punch Milano Spritz. They never.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and do comment in the comment section. I mean, Didi, Iliano, and they don't better be ready to advertise, promote this new flavor by Thandeka together with Chilla's Punch by McG. It's Milano Spritz, which means that Thandeka, she's saying that she's taking a city of her heart to her fans in Mzansi. She's bringing what has built her as a woman to Mzansi. And let me tell you something about that advert, how she actually include what people are saying about her and how she is responding, because she's saying she's never gonna compromise. She's not even going to sit down and listen to people. It's their opinion. I mean, even myself, it's my opinion. What she cannot do is to settle for less and change who she is. So to her fans, to people who love her, Chilla's Punch, Milano Spritz with Thandeka is here. Head to Pick and Pay and go and buy it. I mean, this is a big, guys. I think this is the first time McG has partnered with anyone. This is big. Partnership. This is not a brand collaboration. This is not a brand promotion work. This is a partnership. You understand that her ideas was taken. She was not directed to do so and so and so. Her ideas was there. This is her and McG doing the work together. I'm so happy for Thandeka Shabalala. And this is a way to go about it. People were saying that Lena defended Thandeka does not need this. Thandeka needs to do this. This is what I mean when I say I want more from Thandeka, because she shows that she has potential. This is the potential I'm talking about. And let me tell you, when she said something big is coming, I think this is what's the thing. This is big, and let's have those parties with Chilla's Punch. Let's have those gatherings with Chilla's Punch Milano Spirit. I mean, why not? We are supporting our girl. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye.